Before we get started making our keto creme brulee, I did want to mention you will need a culinary torch so that way we can heat up the sugar and give it that hard crust. We're going to start off with reconstituting the egg yolks. Make sure you're using room temperature water. And this powder comes together pretty nicely. Now this recipe I did cut in half. The full 4 servings instructions will be in the description box. And we're going to use confectioner's swerve, which is powdered. One teaspoon of vanilla. Give this a mix. We're going to use 1 can of the Nestle's table cream, which is perfect for the half recipe. So for a full recipe, you're going to use 2 cans. You want to make sure that you don't scorch the milk. You just want to heat it up to a slight simmer. We're going to incorporate the cream in with the egg mixture. Make sure to whisk quickly so that way you don't burn your eggs. And you want to fill your dishes about 3/4 of the way full. You want to take hot water, make sure it's very hot water. You're going to bake at 220 for 25 to 30 minutes. When I went to use the topping for this, usually you would use white granulated sugar. I did try monk fruit on this, and when I torched it, it was this awful, ugly gray color. It did not do well. I did not have granulated swerve. The only thing I had was the brown sugar, and actually it turned out nice. In hindsight, I would probably go with the white granulated sugar for this. It's got our nice crust, and boy, is that smooth. This is one of the best keto desserts I've ever made.